So I have the Xiaomi Smart Band 9, and today I'll show you how to customize the notifications. So basically these settings allow you to customize what notifications do whenever you receive them on your Smart Band 9. So to do this, simply swipe up from the bottom of the watch face to access the app menu, then scroll down and find settings. Here it is. Tap on it, and then within the settings, scroll down and find notifications. Select that, and then I will see a couple of options that you can customize for your notifications. So if you want to wake your screen or wake the Smart Band 9 screen whenever you receive the notifications, so you can select wake the screen and toggle that on or off if you prefer. So choose the option you prefer, and then you can allow notifications to notify you only when you wear your watch. So if you want that, you can come here and then turn on or turn off depending on your preferences. Or you can also allow notifications to notify only when the phone is locked. So you can come here and then you'll see when using the phone you won't receive notifications on the band. So if you want to enable that and disable it, it's up to you. So that's basically it on how to customize your notifications on the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.